Hi, hello, good morning, everybody. I am myself Chandrasekhar. I have total 22 years of experience in construction. I am a civil engineer. Fortunately, I had experience oil and gas, infrastructure, residential, commercial projects. Why I am here today to tell about what is project management consulting and what is the planning department in construction field, which are all the tools they are used to proceed the works smoothly carrying, and what are all the hurdles will come in future, how the management and how the resource productivity to manage, and how the time management control, the cost control the project with monitoring. It is not only work in office, it is such a tool. I am explaining you people, it will be helpful for your career purpose. Let's, before going to the topic, let's have introduce yourself from starting to here. Yeah, tell me your sweet name. Only name is enough. Okay, okay, okay. Let's. Today I am here to teach you the project management consulting and planning tools. It will controls the time management, cost, and monitor the project day by day to update the schedule. What is schedule? Schedule is once you need to understand before that what is a project. A project is temporary, unique, and it's have start and end dates. So how we can proceed start and end dates? We have to include the tasks. What are all tasks? Like suppose consider example for constructing one house building. So how you are going to start? There will be substructure is there, superstructure is there, finishing work is there, MEP work is there, until to handing over. So how you are segregating this? So each task you need to be detailedly work it out from the foundation to until to the handing over. This is called task. And in that we need to make a schedule. For schedule, we need to break down the activities. Break down in the sense of there will be clubbing together. Suppose column is there. For column, what are all activities should be required? First, you need a starter marking, that casting. Then you need to proceed with the bar bending, steel fixing, and then you need to put the shuttering form work. Then you need to give the concreting. So these are all clubbed together. The column of the basement floor is completed up to beam bottom level. Anyway, architecture and structural people, they give plan. According to that, the site engineer instructions, the labor will execute the work. So how this reporting system will go? Because management want to know, because management always is not there inside. They need to know some reports, how our project is moving, as per the time they are executing or not. For this, we are making a schedule. Let us come to the milestones. Milestones. Milestone is a zero duration activity. It clubs together lot of subtasks and arranged the overall activities duration. How this will be happen with linking each and every activity that milestone will set up. It is also called a checkpoint, because management people always they look into brief report. They don't go deeply. So how you are going to proceed? That's why they look into the milestone. So I will come to the work breakdown structure and other things. Then baseline schedule is there. Let me talk about baseline. It is a original plan. How you people will build up baseline schedule. Suppose one building is there. I have told task like foundation, excavation from backfilling, anti-termite, PCC, everything it is included until to finishing. How you will arrange this schedule with including milestones like work breakdown structures, then complete whole project it is clubbed together with a link. It will become a true original plan. Without baseline schedule, you can't able to track the progress report and delay analysis. So for that purpose, this is the most important to make baseline schedule. I will come to that point while practically while doing. Let us move to forward. There will be in a project, what are all, if you go the tools, what are all you need to understand first of all. If you open the new projects, there will be blank line, the tabular columns, and there will be bar that side. You will observe. So what are all that indicates? That you need to understand. While starting of the project, where you are going to enter the start date, you need to enter in the project information. Where this will be available, that you need to look out the ribbons. What is the ribbons? The ribbon is the same thing in Excel. You can find out the icons like. Once you open, this is the file, this is the task, this is the views, everything is there. What is a timeline? The timeline is, it will tell that you need a year-wise, quarter-wise, or a monthly-wise. How you want to show in the bar chart. This is a timeline. And what is bar chart? This bar chart is automatically it is included while built up in this software. For in some cases updating, you want to change that bar design or color, anything, you can go through and change. And also if you want to include any addition, you can include that activities. That I will come each and everything practical wise while explaining. Let's talk about another one major things is there, that is calendar. What do you mean by calendar? Calendar, without calendar, schedule will be risk. So calendar is the most important things you need to adjust. Calendar means like January, February, March, April in yearly, month wise. How to adjust this? That you need to learn, understand. As per Indian norms, 8-hour duty is compulsory for laborers and staffs. How that hours you need to arrange? That input you should be give in the calendar. Then later that in the calendar, you need to find out on Sunday is the leave and Saturday make half day. These are all adjustment. While going deeply, I will teach you in the practical. And most important things I forgot to tell, the resource. The resource management is the most important thing. Without resource, project cannot be executed, while including staffs, engineers and laborers, and also machinery, material, everything. So this resource management is also one of the most important things in the planning. So let us understood you people first this topic clearly. In the next section, I am going to explain practically. So if you find any difficulties, any doubts, you can ask. Okay, thank you.